they darted down the hillside. Magnificent, the whole herd moved as one. How many different species of animals can you count living together? I'm going to count and we'll see if we get the same number.
Five. Right. I think we got 5 too. 6.
I get 10. Did you guys get 10?
Oh no, I got 6.
Wow, wow, wow. From the Gemsbok, with their long straight horns and black and white faces, their nomadic nature takes them following monsoonal rains across Africa. Girls and boys will have those long horns to fight for the habitats they come across after migrating for so many weeks without very little to eat or drink. Their lavender coats are unique among antelope, blending them into rocky outcroppings, sandy dunes, and grasslands. Behind them you'll find the smallest antelope we'll see. Those are called springbuck. The largest antelope you see halfway up the hillside are called eland. They weigh almost 2,200 pounds apiece, with horns longer than your arms and unique twists to their horns. They're what we call opportunistic feeders. They use their horns like little forks, navigating into the edge of the forest and stretching up into tree canopies to break branches down for extra food. Now, what direction are all of the beautiful giraffe looking? To the north. Giraffe are called the watchtowers of the savannah, meaning that before anyone else they're able to spot predation or danger. So it wouldn't be surprising that all the other antelope feel very safe. Where are they, by the way? In front of the giraffe or behind the giraffe? And the giraffe have not stopped staring at the north end of this habitat. So we're going to head north and we're going to see if there's anything antelope. However, friends, I see movement on your passenger side. Check out what's there before they disappear. These guys are from the North American continent, and they are faster than any other antelope. As a matter of fact, they're so fast, they're the second fastest land mammal on the planet, right underneath a cheetah. And in 1990, there was fewer than 60 of them left alive. They're called pronghorn antelope. And they lost a lot of their open spaces. There was overhunting, there was car strike, until one day we realized they almost disappeared. And Mexico, Canada, and the United States collaborated for conservation. Here at the Safari Park, they're part of our Southwest Hub of Conservation, and we are here and happy to share with you over 600 were born to that restoration conservation effort. Look at the Cape Buffalo, you guys! Way back over on Africa. They're called Dalmatian pelican. I see a very tall bird with a huge yellow beak. That is a yellow-billed stork, an excellent spear fisherman, preening her feathers. And then the birds wearing crowns on their heads. Those are called East African crown crane. And they shape their habitats as well. The beautiful crown crane are known to nest in big tufts of grass. They enter the grass plant, smash down the center, and make their nest in the middle. And as they sit on eggs in the middle of that mound of grass, the crowns of feathers on their head are made to look like the flowers on the grass in the middle of the plant. Everybody in this habitat means the trees have to grow all the new growth at the very top of the canopy, which causes a widening of the tree canopy, an umbrella for the animals. Once together. And you've got beautiful ruddy ducks behind there, and you've got dark feathers are the lappet face. They're enjoying a larger habitat. They don't have to share with pelican. We're going to go see some more beautiful birds as we travel to that bird marsh habitat between the communal water sources. So temporarily our flamingo are kept from that communal water source. Coming up on your passenger right hand side, this is Nikitakon Rhino Rescue Center, a habitat where we dedicate to the study of rhino reproduction and rhino surrogacy. Calling the Nikitakon Rhino Rescue Center home are southern white rhinoceros. They are the largest species of rhino. They weigh up to 5,000 pounds and can stand 6 feet tall at the shoulders. Amazing animals. Their heads weigh 1,000 pounds, and their wide, flat mouths allow their lips to just kiss the ground while they're grazing. They're built for getting as much food in every mouthful. Their population is about 25,000 strong, which is considered an endangered species, and they are the closest living relative to a northern white rhinoceros. And unfortunately, our planet is down to the very last two